In today's video, we're going to talk about whether you should use Hostinger's AI website builder or WordPress. Stick around to the end of the video because we're going to show you two websites side by side, one using WordPress and one using Hostinger's AI website builder. We'll show you the differences between the two and how they work, and you don't want to miss that, so make sure to stick around to the end of the video. Before we dive in here, let's explain what Hostinger's AI website builder does and what WordPress does. First, we'll start with WordPress. WordPress is a powerful and versatile content management system, or CMS. This is going to allow you to create and manage your website with ease. Now, WordPress was actually originally designed for bloggers, but it's really evolved into the capability of hosting a bunch of different types of websites. This includes e-commerce stores, portfolios, business websites, and more. Another thing about WordPress is that it's an open source software. Now, this just means it's free to use, and there's a vast community of developers that are participating in its growth. It has thousands of themes and plugins with endless customization options that will allow you to tailor your website exactly to your specific needs. Known for its user-friendly interface and robust functionality, WordPress is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced web developers. It's going to provide you the flexibility, scalability, and full ownership of your website. Now that we know what WordPress is and that it's one of the most popular ways to host a website, let's now talk about Hostinger's AI website builder. Hostinger's AI website builder is an all-in-one intuitive platform that uses artificial intelligence to streamline website creation. By answering just a few questions about what you want your website to look like, the AI is going to generate a fully functional, personalized website complete with tailored design, content, and color schemes in just seconds. And we're actually going to show you this a little bit later on in the video, so stick around to the end. It features a drag and drop editor for easy customization without any coding skills required. And it also includes powerful AI tools like AI Writer, AI Image Generator, and AI SEO Assistant to optimize content and visuals. Bundled with hosting services with Hostinger and a free domain, it offers a quick and cost-effective solution for individuals and small businesses to launch professional, responsive websites effortlessly. Now that we understand what each platform does, let's discuss some of the main reasons why you would want to choose WordPress and why you would want to choose Hostinger's AI website builder. Let's start with WordPress first. Number one is flexibility and customization. WordPress allows you to create any type of website with thousands of themes and plugins for endless customization. Number two is scalability. With WordPress, you can grow your website or business from a very small blog to a large e-commerce platform seamlessly. It can handle low traffic all the way to high volume traffic. Number three is that it's SEO friendly. WordPress was built with SEO in mind and allows for powerful plugins like Yoast SEO. This is just going to allow you to help improve your rankings in search. So for example, if you go into Google and type in your website name, it's going to allow you to organically rise up in ranks there. Number four is the extensive plugin library. WordPress has over 60,000 plugins, allowing you to add features such as e-commerce, membership portals, and so much more. The possibilities here are truly endless. So if you're looking for that functionality, then WordPress might be for you. Number five is control and ownership. With WordPress, you own your website data and files, providing you full control and avoiding your dependency on other platforms. Those are 5 reasons why you would want to choose WordPress. Now let's talk about 5 reasons why you might want to choose Hostinger's AI website builder. The first one is speed and simplicity. The AI website builder with Hostinger allows you to have a website up and running within just a few minutes, and it looks really good actually. So if you're looking for speed, then Hostinger is going to be the right option for you. Number two is AI-driven customization. Although AI integration can be added with plugins on WordPress, Hostinger's AI website builder comes with it built into the website builder, and it's just going to allow you to tailor everything to your specific needs right away. Number three is that Hostinger is an all-in-one platform. Hosting, templates, and tools are all bundled together within the Hostinger ecosystem. This is going to simplify your website creation and management. Number four is mobile-friendly designs. The AI builder allows you to automatically optimize for mobile viewing. This is going to allow a better experience right off the bat, and you don't have to mess around with some of the features like you might have to on WordPress for viewing in mobile. Now, number five is customer support. With a Hostinger hosting plan, you can actually choose to have your website built with WordPress or with the Hostinger AI website builder. So as long as you're using Hostinger for your hosting service, then customer service is going to be great, whether you're on the WordPress plan or the Hostinger AI website builder. They have 24/7 support, and every time I've contacted them, they've been super helpful. There's a bunch of resources online, like articles you can read before you even contact them if you want. And I just really love their team. They're really awesome. All right, to sum it up, the functionality of WordPress truly is unmatched. If you're looking to build out a robust e-commerce platform or some other type of high traffic website, then WordPress is going to allow you the functionality with over 60,000 plugins, a bunch of SEO tools, and much more to really dial in every aspect of your website. But if you're a beginner, you're just starting out and you're looking to create your first website, the Hostinger AI website builder is truly the best thing that you can do. You really can't go wrong with either. And depending on when you're watching this video, right now, Hostinger is actually holding their best deal of the year. You can get a hosting plan for as little as $1.95 per month right now for their Black Friday deal. Be sure to click our link down below in the description to bring you to Hostinger's website, and we'll go ahead and walk through the process here together of setting up your hosting plan. Once you've clicked on that link down below in the description, it should bring you to a page that looks very similar to this, and you'll notice that the biggest ever Black Friday sale is currently happening, where you can get a hosting plan for only $1.95. This truly is the best deal on the internet right now. I wish I started my website at such a great deal, so really you should hop on this if this is something that you're looking to do very soon. All right, once we're here and we're ready to get started, let's go ahead and click Claim Deal. So you'll see that it brings us down to these three different plans here. Now the premium plan is the most basic plan. That's the one that offers a deal of $1.95 per month. You have to select a 48-month term, which we'll go ahead and talk about here in a second. But the business plan is going to offer you a little bit more functionality at $2.95 per month. Lastly, the cloud startup plan starts at $7.59 per month. This has a lot of functionality, which we'll walk through here. But you'll see that these plans are anywhere from 70 to 85% off right now. Let's start with the premium plan. Let's briefly talk about some of the features of each plan, and then we can go ahead and select the one that we will need. With the premium plan, you can host up to 100 websites. It allows for managed WordPress hosting, 25,000 monthly visitors, 100 gigs of SSD storage, 400,000 files and directories, built-in templates, unlimited free SSL, weekly backups. I highly suggest that you have daily backups on your website. That really saved me in the past. So if you don't end up choosing the business plan, you can also add those on later. Unlimited bandwidth, a free domain, and some other features here. You'll see, however, with the business plan, if we scroll down and see all features here, it offers more of the hosting or website AI builder tools that the premium plan just does not include. So if you want the AI image generator, the AI writer, the AI blog generator, and some of the other AI tools like the AI SEO tool, you're going to need to choose this business plan. All of the plans have service and support, 30-day money-back guarantee, a 99.9% uptime guarantee, and security is pretty much the same across the board. The premium plan has standard DDoS protection, and the other two have enhanced DDoS protection. And you can go ahead and look through some of the other technical features here if that's what you're looking for. Lastly, let's briefly just discuss the cloud startup plan. This allows you to host up to 300 websites. It allows for 200,000 visits monthly, 200 gigs of storage, 2 million files and directories, pre-built templates. If we scroll down here, it has all the functionality for Hostinger's website builder. It has the highest level of security. It has the highest level of support as well, and some other technical features that you can take a look at. Now, for the sake of this video, we're just going to show you the business plan. That's the middle one here. The reason that we're doing that is because it includes some of the AI tools like the AI writer, the AI blog generator, and some of the other AI tools. But if you don't think that you need those, you can go ahead and continue with the premium plan. We'll just show you everything in the business plan so you can make your decision. Once we're ready, let's go ahead and choose the plan here. Next, it'll bring us to this page here where we have to choose the period for our web hosting. So let's go ahead and click on period. Now, the only one we don't recommend is the 1 month. It's just really expensive. As you can see, it's going to be $14.95 per month, and you don't get a discount with this plan. So choose at least the 12-month plan. That's going to get you the discount, and it's going to save you money in the long term. When you choose the 12-month plan, it brings your total down to $3.45 per month. But if you want to go even lower and extend out for that 48-month plan, it'll bring it to under $3 per month. Let's just go ahead and choose the 12-month plan here. It includes our free domain, and don't forget here to click have a coupon code. This is very important. You want to make sure that you put in the coupon code MyFirstWebsite for an additional percentage off. You'll see that that brought our total for the day down to $37.26. Once we've done that, we're ready to go. We can go ahead and click continue. Now we're going to need to create an account with Hostinger. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and just log in here, but if not, go ahead and create one now. Next, it'll bring you to this page where it's going to ask you some personal information, and you'll have to put in your billing address. Once you're finished with that, go ahead and click continue to the payment. You can choose to pay by any of these options here: card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or Alipay. We'll just go ahead and choose card today. And before we click submit secure payment, let's just go ahead and look at our order summary here. So today we have a 12-month plan for $37.26. With that, we're getting daily backups for free. We're getting a domain name for free. The setup is free, and the domain privacy protection is also free. Our total discount on this plan is 83% off. Like we said earlier, this is a crazy deal. You have to get on it if you're looking to create a website anytime soon. Once you're done with that and you're ready to get going, go ahead and click submit secure payment, and that's going to bring you to the main page inside of Hostinger. Now that you're inside your Hostinger account, it should bring you to a page that looks similar to this. If it doesn't, just go ahead and go to websites, and then you're going to click add website. If you just created your account for the first time, it's going to walk you through a couple setup steps, and eventually it's going to ask you whether you want to create your website with Hostinger's AI website builder or with WordPress. First, we're going to show you Hostinger's AI website builder, and then I'll show you a website that we have with WordPress. So when you go here to add website, which like I said, it might give you a couple different steps if you just created your account, go ahead and click the Hostinger website builder. This is a page that everybody's going to come to at some point, whether you have an account already or don't. And now it's going to ask you and create for you a website based on the information that you give it. So let's go ahead and enter a brand name. Let's say my first website. And now you want to write a description, giving it as much information as possible because this is what's going to help it build out the website, particularly tailored to your specific needs. Now that I wrote a little description on our website here, let's go ahead and change the personalization settings. We'll just at least show you them if you want to change them. So if you click that, it'll bring open the colors here, and you can either choose Surprise Me or you can actually choose your color palette. So we'll go ahead and choose our color palette. We like this blue one a little bit better, so we'll go ahead and choose that. And then we can go ahead and click Create a Website. And once we've done that, this is the website it's created for us. So you'll see that it says launch your first website today, and you can click here to get started. It also has a contact page here to submit your inquiry. Then it has empowering you on your online journey. That's pretty cool. It has some other pictures here, a little thing about our mission, maybe some of the previous blog articles that we've written. I think it did a pretty good job. At least it's a good base to start with. And if you want to edit this site, you can just go ahead and click Edit Site. Now, we're not going to go too into depth in this video on how to use this Hostinger AI website builder. We have plenty of other videos on the channel that we'll be sure to have linked down below in the description. We just wanted to show you today how to briefly set it up and how to get your account going. Let's go ahead and hop into WordPress, and we'll show you a little bit around there before we finish off the video here. Let's briefly just go ahead and click Edit Site, and then we can show you a little bit before we go and show you WordPress. So here on the left-hand side, here are some of the things that will help you build out your website. Hostinger's website builder gives you this website setup tool that will walk you through the process. It also has pages and navigation and some other customization options here. All of these tools here, like the AI image generator and the AI writer, are included with our business plan. So we can go ahead and take a look at these. So you can go ahead and check these out. And there's a couple other tools here, like a section for the blog. And then it also has a section for online store. You can add your store here. And lastly, if you click on these three dots here, there's a couple other tools like the blog and appointment scheduler and some SEO tools as well. Lastly, you can also export this content to WordPress. Now, it's not going to directly one-to-one transfer over, but it'll send as much information there as it can. Now, we're not going to go too into depth here on this Hostinger AI website builder. We have a ton of other videos on the channel that show you exactly how to use this website builder. Today, we just wanted to show you and give you a brief overview of what it looks like and some of the functionality of it. Let's go ahead and switch over to WordPress, and we'll show you some of the functionality of WordPress. This is the WordPress homepage, and as you can see just by looking on the left-hand side, there's a lot more functionality and a bit more complication when using WordPress. So the first thing you see is the dashboard here. We can go home and look at the dashboard. On this dashboard, it's going to tell us updates that we need for our plugins. It's going to give us some WordPress events and news and some other information on some of the things for our site. On the left-hand side, you could see here that if we go down to posts, this will show you all of the posts that we have for our site. So this is just a blog article that we made. Under comments here, you can see some of the comments that people made on these blog posts. And then some of the plugins are also listed here, like Opt-in Monster. This is just one of the many plugins that I have on my website. And there's also a WooCommerce plugin here. There's a product section and analytics. Elementor is going to be the main way that you drag and drop with WordPress. It's the most functional tool for the site. It allows you to have a very similar experience of dragging and dropping, just like on Hostinger's AI website builder. There's a place you can look at all the plugins and the appearance. If I go under appearance here, I'll just show you some of the menus. As you can see, the dashboard is a little bit more complex than what you get with Hostinger. So it does take a little bit of time to get used to. So I'm going to go to appearance here and then to menus. And you can see that you'll have to orient the menus in whichever way that you like. You can add the different pages to your site here, and then you can orient them however you want so it'll show up on your website. So let's go ahead and show you what I mean by that. Here's that top bar that I said, and under services, we have some of the services we provide, as well as under blog, we have some of the articles or one of the articles that we wrote. We can see when we go to plugins here, we can go ahead and add a new plugin at the top here, and we can search for over 60,000 plugins here. Whatever you want for your website, there's something that's going to help you do it. So there's plenty of options and functionality here. We're not going to go too much more into depth. We have plenty of other videos on the channel that show you how to set up a website using WordPress. That's all we have for you today for our video comparing Hostinger's AI website builder with WordPress. Now, the main conclusion here is you really can't go wrong with either. If you're looking for functionality and scalability and you're looking to create a website that's going to have hundreds of thousands of views one day, then WordPress is going to be a great option for you. But on the other hand, if you're a beginner or you're just starting out or you just want AI to create a website for you, then the Hostinger AI website builder is going to be a great option for you. So if you got value out of this video and you want to see more videos like this in the future, please leave us a like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this in the future. And don't forget, we're going to leave our link down below to Hostinger's Black Friday deal, where you can get a website hosting plan for under $2 a month with our special code MyFirstWebsite and using our link. Like we said earlier, this is one of the best deals on the internet right now for the entire year. And if you're looking to create a website anytime soon, you should hop on this deal. Just a note here too, if you do choose to use our referral link, we do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really helps us keep creating free videos like this for you. So thank you so much in advance for helping us out there. Lastly, this channel is dedicated to help helping you start and grow your first website. Stick around for more. Thank you so much for watching, and we're going to see you very soon.